Good afternoon, students. Hope you all are safe and have good health. Today, lesson number 6, EVS 2, we are going to study, that is Oath of Swaraj. Students, the previous lesson we had studied about Shivaji's education, and in this lesson, we are going to see how Shivaji started changing his mind with situation and also took oath of Swaraj. Okay, so let's start with the lesson. The temple at Raireshwar. To the southwest of Pune, there is a beauty spot called Raireshwar, famous for its temple. In the year 1645, an extraordinary event took place there, where at Raireshwar temple, Shivaji and a few Mavlas from the neighboring valley had gathered there. Why had they come to this lovely spot hidden in a deep forest? What did they discuss? And what favor did they ask of Lord Shiva? Let's see. Okay. The fairy eloquency of young Shivaji. Fairy means flaming. Eloquency means fluency in his talking. Who's Shivaji's? Okay. Shivaji was still quite young, but his mind was already busy planning big things. He opened his mind to his playmates and said, "My dear friends, today I am going to talk you about something which is in my mind for a long time. Yes, my father Shahaji Raje is a Sardar at the court of Bijapur." Who said this? Shivaji. Yes, yes, it is he who has given me the charge of this Jagir. Which Jagir he was having, Shivaji? That is Pune Jagir. Okay. And everything is going on well and peaceful. But, friends, I am not happy. Who said? Shivaji. That then also I am not happy. Why? Because we are surrounded all on all the sides by foreign kingdoms which are constantly at war. Our people get killed for nothing during this wars, and family after family gets uprooted. Yes, our country suffers destruction. And what do we get out of all this? Nothing but slavery. How long shall we continue to tolerate this? How long shall we lay down our lives for others? Shall we allow this continue just for the sake of a small watan? What have you to say about all this? He asked to his friends. Who? Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji was speaking with a great emotion and his face was red with anger. In middle of his speech, he stopped and looked at his companions, Mrs. Friend. Okay, the young Mavlas gathered there in an inner scantum of Raireshwar were greatly thrilled by Shivaji's speech. They had seen a new vision. One of them said, "Our young prince, tell us clearly whatever is in your mind. We are prepared, we are anxious to do your bidding." "Yes, Rajay." Yes, everyone said in one voice. "We are with you. We shall do whatever you say and at the cost of our lives if need be." Yes, yes, they all said. Now, taking oath, the oath of Swaraj, Shivaji got fresh inspiration from their words. Looking at each one of them, he said, "Friends, our path is clear. We shall all strive to attain our ideal, work for it till it is achieved. All should be ready even to sacrifice their lives for this ideal, which is Hindui Swaraj. We will have our own Raj, yours, mine, and everybody's. We refuse to live as slaves any more. Let us take oath with the Lord Raireshwar as witness. We give ourselves completely to the great task of establishing our own Raj Swaraj. Okay, Swaraj means freedom. The temple echoed the words of Shivaji. What God thinks that this kingdom should take shape as Hindui Swaraj, we shall see that God's wish is fulfilled. Who said these words? Shivaji. So the Mavalas left the temple, committed to the oath of freedom of Swaraj. The mind of Shivaji was filled with a great joy. As soon as he is reached Pune, he went straight to Lal Mahal to see his mother. Okay, he described everything to his mother and where at the place whatever is took place at Raireshwar. Okay, Jijabai overjoyed through with satisfaction that Shivaji would accomplish what was always in her mind. After that, Shivaji started preparation in the Marvel Valley. Shivaji soon got busy with his new activities along with his comrades. He started intensive training in swordsmanship, riding, exploring sacred paths in the hills, and getting familiar with the great topography of the land, its valley, ghats, and possible communication routes. Shivaji made a detailed survey of all the forts and military establishment in the area. In this, his followers were of great help to him. In a course of time, he came to know the smallest detail of every establishment, sacred parts, underground routes, ammunitions, dams, and cellars. What is cellar? An underground room that is used for storing things. You can see in this picture. Okay. Now next, friends in Marvel. All over the 12 marvels there were Deshmukhs. What they are doing? Deshmukhs were guiding their individual vatans to which they were more attached than anything else. There were constant quarrel between them, leading to useless waste of money and manpower. Shivaji saw this waste and decided to put an end to it. He would visit the Deshmukhs in the area, talk to them, persuade them to desist from their folly, and raise before them a very attractive picture of Swaraj of his dream. He thus won many of them over to his side. He used force against who were adamant, means refused to change their mind. In this way, he stopped the mutual warfare. Everybody was pleased with his happy result and all started singing the praises of Shivaji. Deshmukhs in the Marvel Valley who began to look upon Shivaji as their leader. The dream of Swaraj was fast approaching the day of fulfillment. Means Deshmukhs also started supporting Shivaji Maharaj. Okay, now next is Shivaji's royal seal. The Jagir was already being administered in the name of Shivaji. Shahaji Raje had cast a special royal seal for Shivaji. Okay, it read, "This seal will grow in the splendor like the new moon. The seals of Shivaji, the son of Shahaji, receiving homage from the whole world, denotes the welfare of the people." Understood? What is this seal was grown in a splendor. Splendor means great beauty that attracts attention. Okay, like the moon, like the new moon. Okay, the seal of Shivaji, the son of Shahaji, receiving homage. Homage means respect towards someone. from the whole world denotes the welfare of the people. Okay, this royal seal in a way foretold the foundation of Swaraj. Foretold means to say what is going to happen. Okay, once they want to say that this is the way, the foundation of Swaraj. In those days, most of the royal seals were carved in Persian language. Okay, but this Shivaji's was in Sanskrit language, means the seal is in Sanskrit language. This was a significant change. There could be a no Swaraj without your own language and your own religion. Yes, but at the same time, there should be a no hatred for other religions. The seal was a guarantee to all Malwas that Shivaji's government was for the welfare of the people. Okay, they were quick to grasp these points. Understood? So, what we have learned in this chapter, Shivaji and young Mavlas took the oath of Swaraj at Trareshwar temple, yes, in the year 1645. Jijabai was happy that Shivaji would accomplish her resolve. Then Shivaji started training the young Mavlas in the various aspects of warfare, that is riding, escaping, everything. Then Shivaji put an end to the quarrels among the Deshmukhs, yes, by talking to them. The Vatandas Deshmukh is a never looked upon Shivaji as their leader. Shahaji Raje carved a special royal seal in Sanskrit language for Shivaji Maharaj. Understood? Okay. Thank you, students.